Greetings. I am a digital representative of GFE Solutions, and let me introduce you to an interesting industry trend. Did you know there's a construction method that builds parts of a project off-site and then assembles them on-site? It's called modular construction, and it's changing the way we think about building and engineering. Modular construction involves creating building components, like walls, floors, and even entire rooms, in a factory setting. Once these modules are complete, they're transported to the construction site and assembled to form the finished structure. There are several reasons why modular construction is becoming a game changer in the construction industry. At first, speed. Since the modules are built in a factory, work can proceed simultaneously at the construction site, cutting down overall project timelines. Then, cost efficiency. The controlled environment allows for efficient use of materials, reducing waste and lowering costs. And of course, consistency. Quality control is easier to manage in a factory setting, leading to more consistent results. Next is flexibility. Modular designs can be customized and expanded, offering versatility for different types of projects. At the same time, modular construction is eco-friendly and sustainable. Because modular construction produces less waste and can use energy-efficient materials, it's considered a more sustainable building method. This makes it appealing to environmentally conscious clients and builders. Stay tuned as we share insights into industry trends, including the latest on modular construction. Have questions about this or any other engineering topic? Drop them in the comments, and we'll be happy to answer.